Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be doing a deep dive today into something pretty cool happening over in Rwanda.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we found this article from the New Times Rwanda. Came out last month, actually, February 13th. And it's called Government Zipline Ink Deal to Boost Made in Rwanda.
Interesting.
Yeah, so you know Zipline, right?
Oh, yeah, the drone delivery.
Exactly, those guys.
Yeah, yeah.
But this isn't like, drone delivery pizza or whatever.
Right.
This is something way more interesting, I think. It's about helping businesses in Rwanda.
Wow.
Yeah, so like the Rwandan government and Zipline signed this deal, but
Yeah.
what does that even mean? Like, what's the bigger picture?
Well, the deal, it's way more than just drones, right? Like, it's about revitalizing this Made in Rwanda initiative.
Ah, okay.
Which is basically like a big push to get people to support products made in Rwanda.
So like a shop local campaign.
Yeah.
But like national.
Honestly, that's huge.
Yeah, it is.
But how do the drones even fit into this whole thing?
So that's where it gets really cool. The Rwanda's got like mountains and hills and
Right.
not the greatest roads all the time. So getting stuff from place to place, it's hard, it's expensive.
Yeah.
And that's where Zipline comes in.
Okay.
They're already using drones there to like deliver medical supplies,
Oh, really?
blood and stuff. Super efficient.
I see where you're going with this. So instead of just blood,
Yeah.
they could use the drones to like
Yeah,
transport any product.
exactly.
All
Think
right.
about like Rwandan crafts coffee, even like produce, flown all over the country by drones.
Like a highway in the sky
Yeah.
for businesses.
For Rwandan businesses.
That's insane.
And it's not even just about speed. Think about the environment, too.
Oh, right.
Less traffic, less emissions compared to trucks.
Yeah. So you've got economic growth, environmental benefits, and a boost for this Made
Yeah.
in Rwanda thing.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
a powerful combo.
It is.
Really is.
Plus, this could be like a model for other countries
Right.
to follow. It's
Right.
pretty awesome.
Yeah, governments are really looking for these innovative solutions to help their economies.
Drones to like revitalize a country's economy.
It's pretty wild.
That's incredible. What other industries could even benefit from this kind of thing?
Oh man, the possibilities are endless. You think about like fresh produce, getting to the market quicker, less waste, essential parts delivered to factories, faster production, and like places with bad infrastructure, drones could be like a lifeline, medicine, educational materials.
So Rwanda's taking like a huge step forward using this crazy technology to like help local businesses and maybe change their entire supply chain.
Good move.
It is. It could have like ripple effects way beyond Rwanda,
Going that
really, as you think about it.
The future of global trade
Yeah.
and logistics.
How will other countries adapt, implement similar technology to help their own economies?
Definitely something to keep an eye on.
For sure.